Today's lesson is what do people mean by healing and what actually does do the healing. There was something the vegetable police said that needs some clarification. Yes, because in order to move on with this conversation in this drama, let's take a look at this. This is under the video Goji Man, is he smarter than us? Rosa said, it's not about who's smarter, right? That's just to get people to watch. It's extremely sad to hear you speak badly about veganism, when wasn't it veganism that initially healed your ulcerative colitis? Now the diet is poisonous? You already sound like these carnivore lunatics on Joe Rogan's podcast. Okay, he replied to that. I'm not bashing veganism. I'm being truthful. No, veganism didn't cure me of UC.
Not only did the colitis go away, but my hair was thinning. Hair is thickening up again. My arthritis in my knees went away.
I had UC for 4 years, still after going vegan. It wasn't until I removed dairy that I finally cure myself. Veganism didn't heal me. Removing my allergy did. See, I'm filming this. This is proof that this is a real comment here. By scrolling and you see the links. So let's break this down here. See, I think I understand what he's saying. He's saying that he happened to be allergic to milk. And so when you remove that, the problem goes away. So I guess he did that. Now he doesn't have it anymore. Well, what does he have? I guess something else. But if he had to get off plants themselves, then he wasn't really healed, was he? And just like with switching to veganism or fruitarianism, his symptoms went away. But that doesn't mean the problem was actually healed. Well, no, what's really going on is the symptoms have gone away because he removed something that happens to be a plant food. Now, what does actually heal, and what do people mean when they say healing? A lot of vegans say that veganism heals almost everything. Well, some people actually mean it, that the actual vegan diet, which means no animal products, will cause your body to heal stuff. Now, other people might just mean that animal products are so offending that when you remove them, your symptoms go away. Well, I believe that a proper vegan diet that's actually healing, which is not just removing animal products, but removing a lot of the fat and protein and junk food, then that allows your body to go into a healing process. And there's some people out there saying, meat cures. That's a hashtag. And just like veganism, just the idea of just eating plants isn't what actually cures you. Meat also does not cure you. As a matter of fact, meat comes with its own set of problems that is a much longer list.